Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off dark mode on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off dark mode on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into your account on which you want to turn off the dark mode. And after landing on this page, at the top left corner of your screen you can see your profile picture icon or your Bitmoji icon. Tap on it. And over here guys, at the top right corner of this panel or this interface, there is a settings or a gear icon. Tap on that. And over here scroll down until you can find the app appearance option available just above the public profile settings. Tap on that and you can see guys, I'm on the dark mode. So in order to go to or turn off the dark mode, tap on always light and tap on restart now. And let's go back to the interface. And there guys, we have turned off dark mode on Snapchat, and this is how to turn off dark mode on Snapchat guys. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.